Hi, grade fives. So we are going to be learning about the Atlantic region this week. So the Atlantic region includes the maritime provinces of New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, Prince Edward Island, and Newfoundland and Labrador. It also includes part of Quebec known as the Gaspé Peninsula. So the landforms. The land in this region includes mountains, highlands, lowlands, and plains. The main body of water in this region is the Atlantic Ocean. So the climate. The proximity of these lands to the Atlantic Ocean means that the climate is greatly affected by the massive body of water. In general, the ocean keeps the temperatures fairly mild and consistent. However, the ocean can also bring in massive storms, precipitation, and even hurricanes. Vegetation. Different types of pines and spruce trees grow here, as well as maples. Many types of flowers, and different marsh grasses. This region has rich, fertile soil for growing crops. Animals. Some of the animals in this region include fish such as cod, flounder, herring, and more. There are other marine animals such as lobsters, scallops, crabs, shrimp, mussels, whales, and more. The natural resources and industries. Fishing is a huge industry in the Maritimes. Logging is also very important as there are many trees in this region. The oil industry is also present here since oil was found beneath the ocean floor. So the Atlantic region, named so because of its proximity to the Atlantic Ocean, includes the eastern maritime provinces of New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, Prince Edward Island, and Newfoundland and Labrador. It also includes part of Quebec, known as the Gaspé Peninsula. This region is sometimes referred to as the Appalachian Highlands. This was the first region of Canada inhabited by early European settlers, and this region is the original home of Confederation. So what you're going to do is you're going to watch the video below, it's linked in your classroom, and then jot down some notes below. So you're going to make note of some of the land features that you noticed in the video. So please go watch the video and then jot your notes down on your paper, please.